How to log into your Bank of America's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Bank of America's online banking account. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in Bank of America. Now click the first link, which is bankofamerica.com, and then it'll take you to the official homepage of Bank of America. Now, in order to log into your account, right over here, you'll see this red box where if you enter your user ID, password, and then click on login, you'll be successfully able to log in to your account. But in case you don't remember your user ID or your password, what you can do to reset that is simply click on the option forgot ID/password, which is right over here. And now, in order to reset your ID or your password, first of all, you'll have to enter your card or account number. And remember, you just need to enter the last 6 digits, not your entire card or account number. Once you've done that, you'll have to enter your social security number or your TIN, whichever you prefer, and then click on continue. Now you'll be able to reset your user ID or password, whichever one you forgot. And once you've done that, come back to this page and then enter your credentials. And once you click on login, you'll be successfully logged into your Bank of America's online banking account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.